Welcome to Kingston Dodge. We have a 2009 Toyota Matrix. It is the base model. It comes with all-wheel drive, has a CD player and air conditioning. Coming in, I'll show you. I'm unlocking the door, popping the door open. It's got power windows, power mirrors, power locks. And then we'll start the vehicle up for you. There's a speedometer, the trip computer, the cruise control and the steering wheel, CD player, it's got an outlet bolt in the back, obviously, center console, the room there inside the glove box. There's the cloth seating. Look at the back seat of the interior here. And this is all-wheel drive for those wintry snow mornings. Lots of room in the back trunk area. Come into Kingston Dodge today and take this 2009 Matrix for a test drive. Come into Kingston Dodge, 1429 Princess Street.